Welcome students in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Maua. Today we shall study Unit 3, Friendship and Duty. Let us get started. Activity 1. William Sidney Potter, better known by the pen name O. Henry, was an American writer. William Sidney Potter was one of the best writer of America, but he was very famous by his name O. Henry. O. Henry's short stories are known for their wit, wordplay, warm characterization, and clear twist endings. Usually, in the short stories of O. Henry, we see his short stories are famous for their wit, means he used some wit, he used some laughter, some fun, some satire, wordplay, using of word very diplomatically, very beautifully, warm characterization. He create characters very warmly, very excitingly, and clear twist ending. And at the end, he brings very twisted end, very unknown, very surprising end. When we read, when we come to an end, at that time we can understand that there is some change, there is a twist at the end. He was born on 11th September 1862 in North Carolina and died on 5th June. So he was born on 11th September 1862 in North Carolina and he died on 5th June 1910. From December 1903 to January 1906, O. Henry wrote a story a week for the New York World magazine and published several short stories in other magazines. O. Henry wrote a story a week for the New York World magazine between 1903 to 1906. At that time he wrote a story and that was published several short stories in other magazines and that was published also in many other magazines, in many other books. Some of his famous stories are The Last Leaf, The Gift of the Maggie, The Furnished Room, Cabbage and Kings. He wrote many famous books. Out of them, The Last Leaf was written by him. The Gift of the Maggie, The Furnished Room, Cabbages and Kings. These were the beautiful books and beautiful stories written by him. The story After 20 Years has the typical O. Henry twist. However, the characters portrayed could well make us reflect on our values. In this story, after 20 years, O. Henry has explained about two friends who born and brought up together. But one day, they both decided that they will go and work and they will come back in the same place after 20 years. After 20 years, whatever they were, whoever they were, wherever they were, but after 20 years, they will come back and meet here. With this promise, the both friends parted. Then, after 20 years, did the friends meet or not? That let us see. For further information about William Sidney Potter and his short stories, you can go in the following website. Certain questions are also given, like who is your best friend? Why do you like him or her? What do you mean by friendship? So this question answer we can discuss when we are meeting in class. But this question answer are not so important because it is a pre-task. So now in this session we will not discuss about this question. Okay, so let us see activity 2. after 20 years. The policeman on the beat moved up the avenue impressively. One day, a policeman slowly walking at the avenue. Here, avenue means a street in the town. Very impressively, very carefully, he was walking. The impressiveness was habitual and not for show, for spectators was few. The policeman was walking carefully, impressively, and this impressiveness, this carefulness, or his patrolling was his habitual work. This he was not doing for showing, but he was dutiful. He was doing by considering his duty. And very few spectators, very few people were there to see it or watch it. The time was barely 10 o'clock at night, but chilly gust of wind with a taste of rain in them had well nigh deep peopled the street. It was night time and about to 10 o'clock. But there was a chilly, there was cold wind, gust of wind means wave of air, was coming along with little bit raindrops. So that is why it had well nigh, nigh means nearby. Depeopled the street, depeople is verb, means population is decreasing, reduce the people or less people. So there less people are found at this time due to cold, chilly and wind and rain. Trying doors as he went, twirling his club with many intricate and artful movements now and then to cast his watchful eye adown the specific thoroughfare. The officer, with his stalwart form and slight swagger, made a fine picture of guardian of peace. Trying doors means testing or checking the doors, either the doors are closed or not, while walking. And when he was passing through this street, he was twirling means spinning his club. Here club means his thick and heavy stick. He was playing with it in very intricate way, very difficult and complex way. Integrated means difficult and complex. So he was spinning the stick with very complicated and complex way. It looked like he was showing his art of spinning stick. Then his watchful eyes reached at adown the specific thoroughfare. Adown means below. Specific means very peaceful. And thoroughfare means public road. So, watchfully he was observing below the peaceful, quiet public road on the street. Because he was policeman and he was patrolling on that night. This officer was stalwart. Stalwart means faithful, and with slight swagger, with a little proud. Swagger means walking proudly and confidently. So he was proud and confident because it looked fine picture of a guardian for an officer, policeman, and because of him there is peace in the street. He was walking proudly and slight swagger with confidence. The vicinity was one that kept early hours. Now and then you might see the lights of a cigar store or an all-night lunch counter, but the majority of the doors belonged to business places that had long since been closed. The vicinity means the area nearby the place, was closed, and the policeman was making sure that the shops are locked and secure against thief or robbers. So he was checking from early time. Only few shops were open, like cigar store or night lunch shop were open. Except these shops, all the other shops were closed. When about midway of a certain block, the policeman suddenly slowed his walk. Then suddenly he slowed down his walk in the middle of the street after certain steps. In the doorway of a darkened hardware store, a man leaned with an unlighted cigar in his mouth. As the policeman walked up to him, the man spoke up quickly. Near to the hardware store and near to the door, in the darkness, one man bent. An unlighted cigarette was there in his mouth. In his mouth there was unlighted cigar. Was there? After seeing this man, the police officer was going closer to him. Suspectingly, he suspected him thief. But before that, the man spoke quickly. So today, up to here, we will discuss, my dear students. Remaining we will see in a next session. Thank you very much.